This how to 1 minute will show you how to hide unnecessary menu items from WordPress admin panel. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. So currently I'm in my WordPress dashboard, and to this left-hand menu, as you can see, bunch of different menu items. To remove unnecessary menu items, first of all we will install a plugin. So go to the plugins section and click on add new and search for admin menu editor and install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on menu editor. And here select admin menu. Now from here you can change the menu item position by clicking and dragging. And now click on this drop down next to item, and from here you can change the menu title, and I'm going to adding the plugins. And now I want to hide the tools from my admin menu, so I'm gonna selecting tools and clicking on this cut icon, and also I'm going to remove this loginizer security and select the items that I want to remove. Now click on save changes. Now you have to log out from your WordPress dashboard and log back in. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.